Hey guys, my name is Peter Dranitson. I'm a graphic designer and artist for a website called urartstudio.com. I created this video to demonstrate how you can easily find and install missing font to your computer. Now, why would you do this? Well, some of my files, older files, will require for you to open and install the font from Google. So let's see how it's done. So you downloaded this logo from our website, you try to open it, and it says font not found on this system, missing font has been substituted. Now if you don't care about it and you want to use your own font, you can do it. Just click open and you will see that it doesn't look really good here right now. So as you can see, you can change this font to whatever font you like that you have already installed on your computer, and simply just go like this into the character window. Just type whatever font you like and it will replace it. Now if you want to use the font that was originally created for this logo, I will click this off. Do not save. Alright, now when I try to open it again and get to this window that says missing font, copy this missing font. Alright, so we go copy, go to Google, search, paste it, and then write at the end font. Okay, click enter, and usually the first website will be the one that you need. So click that website, click download, save, and then double click on the file that you just downloaded, find OTF or TTF file, double click it, and then click install. That's it, guys. And after you've done this, just go ahead and open the file, and as you can see, now you have beautiful text with a beautiful font ready to go to be adjusted the way you like. So what you can do with this is double click on the text. You can say like classic, whatever you like. You can change the color, and do all kinds of different things with it. Alright guys, I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me at our website, urartstudio.com contact page. Thank you guys, and see you next time.